So let us see the 13th question of electricity exercises. I will read the question. A hot plate of an electric oven connected to 220 volts line has two resistance coils A and B, each of 24 ohm resistance, which may be used separately, in series or in parallel. What are the currents in the three cases? So here these 24 ohm resistances can be used separately, that is only one can be used, or both can be used either in series or in parallel. And what are the currents in each cases, that is the question. Okay, see now, when used separately means this 24 ohms only one is used. V is 220 volts, R is 24 ohms, only one coil is used. So by Ohm's law, I is equal to V by R. So 220 by 24, which comes to be 9.16 or 9.2 amperes. Then second case, both are used but in series. When used in series, V is 220 volts, and you know the equivalent resistance for series combination is R is R1 plus R2, that is 24 plus 24, that is 48 ohms. Again I is equal to V by R, so 220 by 48, which comes to be 4.58 or 4.6 amperes. Now third one, when used in parallel, V is equal to 220 volts, and for parallel combination you know the equivalent resistance 1 by R is equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2, so it becomes 1 by 24 plus 1 by 24. So 1 by R is equal to 1 plus 1 is 2 by 24, which is 1 by 12. So R becomes equal to 12 ohms. So R becomes equal to 12 ohms, and again by Ohm's law I is equal to V by R. So that is 220 upon 12, which comes out to be 18.3 amperes. So these are the currents in the three cases. So let us continue solving the 15th question. I will read the question. Two lamps, one rated 100 watts at 220 volts and the other 60 watts at 220 volts, are connected in parallel to electric main supply. What current is drawn from the line if the supply voltage is 220 volts? Now first lamp, we'll see, it is rated, power is 100 watts, voltage is 220 volts, and we know one equation for power is P is equal to V square by R. So R is equal to V square by P. So R is equal to V square means 220 into 220 upon P is 100. If you solve this, you get R is equal to 484 ohms. This is the resistance of the first lamp. Now regarding the second lamp, power is 60 watts, voltage is 220 volts. We know P is equal to V square by R. So R is equal to V square by P, same thing. So R is equal to V square is 220 into 220, and the power is 60 watts. If you solve this, you get 2420 upon 3 ohms. Now this is the resistance of the second lamp. Now both these lamps are connected in parallel. So and the equivalent resistance or total resistance for parallel combination is 1 by R is equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2. So 1 by R is equal to 1 by resistance of the first lamp is 484, that's what we have got, plus 1 by resistance of the second lamp is 2420 upon 3. This 3 comes up. Okay, so you get 1 by 484 plus 3 upon 2420. So 2420 is the LCM. 484 5s, so 1 5s is 5, and 2420 ones are 2420, so 3 ones is 3. 5 plus 3 is 8. So this is 1 by R is 8 by 2420. So R becomes equal to 2420 upon 8. If you solve this, R is equal to 302.5 ohms. And by Ohm's law, current is I is equal to V by R. So V is 220, resistance is 302.5 ohms. So it gets this 0.727 amperes or approximately 0.73 amperes. Okay. So this is how we solve the 15th question. So let us solve the 16th question. The question is like this: which uses more energy? A 250 watts TV set in 1 hour or a 1200 watts toaster in 10 minutes? Let us see the TV set first. TV set power is 250 watts. The time for which it is used is 1 hour. We know power is equal to energy upon time or work done upon time. So energy will be equal to power into time. So energy used by the TV set will be power is 250 watts, time is 1 hour. So 251 is 250 watt hours. So this is the power used, this is the energy used by the TV set. Okay. Now we'll see for the toaster. Power of the toaster is 1200 watts and the time for which it is used is 10 minutes. This minutes we need to convert into hours. So 10 minutes upon 60 hours, because every hour is of 60 minutes. If you cancel this, you get time is equal to 1 by 6 hours. You know, energy is equal to power into time. So power is 1200, time is 1 by 6 hours. If you cancel this, you get 200 watt hours. So TV set had used 250 watt hours. Toaster has used 200 watt hours. So 250 watt hours is more. So TV set uses more energy in 1 hour than the toaster, which is used for only 10 minutes. Okay.